Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
This video shows every built-in method to search an image on iPhone. I will walk you through Photos, Spotlight, Safari, Live Text, and Visual Lookup. Follow each step exactly to find similar photos, identify objects, or search the web for matches. These tools work without extra apps and use on-device processing when possible. Keep your iPhone updated for the best features and privacy settings. We begin in the Photos app and then cover system-wide search and Safari techniques. Open Photos and select the image you want to search. Tap the Info button with the letter I to reveal details and suggestions. If Visual Lookup detects something, an icon appears in the corner. Tap it to identify objects like plants, landmarks, or pets. To find web matches, tap Share, then select Search Web to send the image to a web search. You can also copy text from an image using Live Text and paste it into Spotlight or Safari for further searching. Use Spotlight by swiping down on the home screen and typing keywords you see in the image. For web-based image matching, open Safari and drag or share the image into the search bar to start a reverse image search. Use Live Text to select printed text inside an image, then tap Search to look up that text online. You can also long press an image in Safari and choose Search with Google from the context menu. These tips let you search images quickly across iPhone apps and the web.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.